I sure love the woods. It's so beautiful. Plus, it's a great place to hide from all the demon horses roaming around these days.
Hey, you!
Oh, hello, good sir. What can I do for you today?
You need to take this!
Well, I'll gladly take a free thing. You know, I've never actually played with the Rubik's Cube before, but I'm sure it's really easy.
This Rubik's Cube ruined my life! Wait, let me see it. No! No! No!
Huh. What a nice guy. Huh. I can't believe it. This guy gave me a free Rubik's Cube. That's so unusual. You never know what you're gonna get in the woods. Gah! Dude, it's just me. Why do you wear that? I only wear this thing to keep the horse demons away. Well, I just got this Rubik's Cube in the woods. Come on inside. Help me solve it. Okay, let's give this thing a shot.
You know, I don't really care much about solving the Rubik's Cube.
Well, bro, this is kind of important to me. I mean, some guy just gave me this. I feel like I have to solve it.
How about you just do it by yourself?
Well, if you're not gonna help me, walk out the door.
Alright, fine.
Okay. Guess I'll do it alone. Whatever. Man, this puzzle is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Maybe if I get a good night's sleep. I bet that'll help. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll get a good night's sleep. I'm sure that'll help. I solved a side! He solved a side! He solved a side! He solved a side!
No! Yes!
Hey, I need the rent. I don't have any money. If you don't have any money, then how are you gonna pay the rent? Can't you see this is important? Rent. Where's the rent? I want the rent. Don't you ever want anything else? Well, listen. I don't want to have to do this, but if you can't pay the rent, then you can't live here anymore. I don't need to live here. All I need is my Rubik's Cube. Well, then in that case, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to ask you to pack your things and leave. I don't even need to pack my things. I just need my Rubik's Cube. That's stupid. No, that can't be right, because if I do that, that creates the white corner. Where am I? Hey, you!
Oh, hi.
I need you to take this from me.
Okay.
That cube ruined my life.